Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NotebookLM is no longer limited to desktop. Google now offers official NotebookLM apps for both Android and iPhone, allowing you to create notebooks, upload sources, chat with your research, generate audio overviews, and use many of NotebookLM's advanced features directly from your phone. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use NotebookLM on mobile in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, install the NotebookLM app, like download the official NotebookLM app from Android, like Google Play, or iPhone, like App Store. So Google launched the official mobile app for both platforms in 2025. Always use the official Google app. So first thing, sign in with your Google account. Okay, so open the app and sign up or sign in. Okay, so using the same Google account as your desktop version allows you to access existing notebooks and sync your work across devices. Your notebook stays synchronized. Okay, create a notebook. So tap create new notebook, then enter notebook name, project topic, research subject, for example biology notes, business research, YouTube content ideas, exam preparation. Okay, so one notebook per project works best. Add sources, like the mobile app supports multiple source types like PDFs, websites, YouTube videos, copy text, audio files, Google Drive files. Okay, so Google's mobile documentation specifically allows adding PDFs, websites, YouTube videos, audio files, and copy text. So better sources create better answers. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorials.